Good day, students. Today we are going to discuss Math 3. Our lesson is all about rounding off whole numbers. So now before we start, are you ready to listen? Okay, so let's get started. Now we have here 685. We are going to round it to the nearest hundred. We have a number line. We can see that 685 is between 600 and 700. Okay, so it is to the right of the midpoint. As you can see, that's 85. Now, it is more than halfway and very close to 700. Now, but before that, we have here the following steps in rounding off whole number. For example, step number 1. Determine the rounding digit. Number 2, determine whether you will round up or round down. When we round down, the digit right of the rounding digits is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the digit to be rounded stays the same. When we round up, if the digit to the right of the rounding digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the digit rounds up by adding 1 to it. We have here the step 3 or the last step. Change all the digits to the right side of the indicated rounding digit to zeros, while the digits to its left stays the same. Okay, so we have here an example. 78,125. We are going to round off to the nearest thousand. So, how are we going to round this off? Okay, so next. Okay, following the steps, for the step 1, let's write 78,125. The rounding digit is the thousand, which is the number 8. Starting from 5, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 8 is the rounding digit. So what is the number next to number 8? On the right side, we have 1. Okay, since we have 1, is it round up or round down? Okay, so round down. Now, for the step 3, the number 8 and the number on it, which is 7, stays the same because round down. And the following numbers from 1, 2, and 5 will become 0. So therefore, 78,125 becomes 78 thousands when rounded to the nearest thousand. Okay, same goes with the other numbers. Okay, when we round off to the nearest thousand. Okay, now, so since we discussed how to round off, for your activity, answer the following on your book. Okay, write your answer on your book also. Okay, so that's all for our discussion. Thank you for listening and have a good day.